Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. Viewmaster Reel 1, Scene 1.
My garden's full of pretty flowers, white and red and blue. I like to share them with my friends. Here's a big bouquet for you.
Picture 2.
Honey, I hope that you don't mind 2 instead of 1. You'll go around as you always do, but we'll have twice the fun.
Picture 3.
My puppy has a headache. He can't feel very jolly. Oh, wouldn't it be awful if he didn't have a hurry?
Picture 4.
Thanksgiving is a special time. The turkey's in the dish. And best of all, a wishbone that friends can pull and wish.
Picture 5.
Mr. Snowman, you're our friend. We wish that you could stay. But you'll leave happy memories before you melt away.
Picture 6.
It's funny how a needle and thread that's colored blue can sew a button back in place and mend a friendship too.
Picture 7.
Our mother is an expert at baking in the oven, at telling stories, healing hurts, but most of all at loving.
Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1.
Saturday's my favorite day. It's full of happy hours. I catch my mother by surprise. I bring her garden flowers.
Picture 2.
We all can teach, we all can learn by sharing what we know. And everybody gets a turn to cook or skate or sew.
Picture 3.
The good things you anticipate, like a very important letter, are surely worth the time you wait. They make the day go better.
Picture 4.
Taking turns with anyone at work or else at play is half the work and twice the fun, a bargain any day.
Picture 5.
When days are warm and skies are blue and gentle winds are blowing, spend lots of time just being you. You'll find yourself worth knowing.
Picture 6.
I like an afternoon in fall when leaves are tumbling down. A sort of haze is in the air and fields are dressed in brown.
Picture 7.
Doing cozy things together when the fire is all aglow makes it good for sharing weather. Hi there, Mr. Snow.
Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1.
Mother let us stay up once to watch the New Year in. The clock struck 12, and when it did, it almost seemed to grin.
Picture 2.
I put my heart upon a card, all trimmed in red and blue, and wrote I love you at the top, then gave my heart to you.
Picture 3.
Easter is an open door to spring's refreshing air, to hills of green and skies of blue and new life everywhere.
Picture 4.
July the 4th is exciting. The flags are flying high. Like the fireworks shimmer down like fountains in the sky.
Picture 5.
My jack-o'-lantern's winking into the spooky night. I think he knows the secret, but won't tell because of fright.
Picture 6.
I'm thankful for so many things, for love and friendship true, but most of all because I'm me. Say, aren't you glad you're you?
Picture 7.
Come, little tree, and let me trim you. You stand so tall and fair. When I get through, you'll find you're wearing Christmas in your hair.
We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up